Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can delete a Wix website. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how you can do this, and let's get into it right away because I don't want to waste your time. So first of all, sign in with your Wix account and then click on the sites option at the top left corner. Now it should send you over here like on this page. Now here you will find your websites. Now here I have a website I just use for the sake of these tutorials. And if you want to delete a website, all you need to do is select it. So don't click it, but use your mouse and go it, and then right here you should be able to find out site actions. So you want to click on that and it's gonna launch this drop down menu where you can find previous site, rename site, blah blah, and then all the way right here you can find move to trash. So you have to click on that, so it will show a pop-up. Once you move to trash, your site become unpublished and can be edited. So okay, so click on move to trash right there and you're gonna move it to your trash. Actually in the trash you can remove the site permanently, so you're gonna select, so you can also do it from here. Anyway, so this is how you can delete a Wix website. So all for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching.